Here's my 1972 750 Honda, and you can see we just hung the engine in it just recently, and the engine looks pretty doggone good. And I'm trying to put a 1978 oil tank on this machine here, and this is a 1972 frame, so it doesn't fit right, so I'm gonna have to pull it off. But look at these are super nice, and that's why I wanted to put them on here. The hoses look like they're brand new. Everything is in such good condition. Next, I have to put the points in, and I have to make sure. See how that works there? See how that works? This thing goes up. As it goes faster and starts spinning, there's a centrifugal advance, and there's a camshaft that I have my hand on right now. But anyway, that's for people who don't know about motorcycles that much. So I ported, the complete head is ported. It's got an 836 kit in the bottom here. So I'm going to see what happens. I have to get a cover for my oil galley. It was completely clogged up. It wasn't clogged, but it had a lot of pieces of hard carbons inside the oil galley. And that's just bad news. You can't see it in this picture, but it's real bad news because that goes right up to your engine, right up to your cam, and there's oil pressure feed jets that regulate the amount of pressure inside here to the cam, and it causes the cam to seize. All of a sudden you have a seized cam. And that's been a big problem with the 750s, because any kind of junk comes up from the lower end, hey, you all of a sudden have oil starvation in the cams. And that's why you always want to run synthetic oil. Run the best oil you can. Look at this, it looks pretty nice for a nice old 750 Honda. So that's my 750.